Hello students, I am Sumati. I am working in GK Chain School. Today I teach the lesson for 10th standard Social Science History lesson number 1. Outbreak of World War I and its aftermath. 1914 is a turning point in world history. We will discuss the First World War. Scramble for colonies. Capitalist countries race for markets. The aim of capitalistic industry was to produce more and more surplus wealth. Thus produced was used to build more factories, railways, steamships and other such undertakings. Rise of monopoly capitalism. After 1870, the alliance of industry and finance seeking profits in markets for goods and capital, which was an essential characteristic of imperialism, became evident in the later half of the 19th century. Imperialism and its essential characteristics. Imperialism and its essential characteristics. Capitalism inevitably led to imperialism. According to Lenin, imperialism is the highest stage of capitalism. According to Lenin, imperialism is the highest stage of capitalism. Besides being a market for surplus goods, colonies served another purpose. Large-scale mass production needed vast supplies of raw materials, rubber, oil, nitrates, sugar, cotton, tropical foodstuffs, minerals, etc., which were necessary to monopolist capitalists everywhere. The need to control the sources of raw materials inevitably led to imperialism. Imperialism was not just about colonies. Imperialism was not just about colonies. It became a total system of logic, which total militarization and total war. Rivalry of great powers. Rivalry means competition. In the 19th century, European powers had colonized many other countries. By 1880, most of the Asian countries had China. The crushing defeat of China by Little Japan in the Sino-Japanese was 1894 to 95 surprised the world. Despite the warning of three great powers, Russia, Germany and France, Japan annexed the Liaotung Peninsula with Port Arthur. By this action, Japan proved that it was the strongest nation of the East Asia. Now, we see the causes of World War I. What are the causes of World War I? European alliances and counter-alliances, violent forms of nationalism, aggressive attitude of German emperor, hostility of France towards Germany, imperial power politics in the Balkans, Balkan wars, and immediate causes. We will see one by one. First cause of World War I, European alliance and counter-alliance. In 1905 of the European great powers were divided into two armed camps. One camp consisted of central power like Germany, Austria, Hungary and Italy. It under the guidance of Bismarck. They had formed the Triple Alliance in 1882. The understanding was that Germany and Austria would help each other. The other camp consisted of France and Russia. Their alliance was formed in 1894 with the promise of mutual help if Germany attacked either of them. Then second cause, violent forms of nationalism. With the growth of nationalism, the attitude of my country, right or wrong, I support it, developed. The love for one country demanded hatred for another country, like England, jingoism. It means jingoism. It means blind patriotism. Then France, chauvinism. Its chauvinism means extreme patriotism. Then Germany's is culture. Culture is thinking highly of human civilization and culture, where militant forms of nationalism contributions decisively to the outbreak of war. Third causes, aggressive attitude of German emperor. Emperor Kaiser William II of Germany was ruthlessly assertive and aggressive. The Kaiser proclaimed that Germany would be the leader of the world. The German navy was expanded, the sea being considered a preserve of England. Even since Napoleon's defeat and Traveller 1805, Germany's aggregate diplomacy and rapid building of naval bases convinced Britain that a German navy could be directed on by against her. Therefore, Britain embraced on a naval race with heightened the tension between the two powers. Next one is hostility of France towards Germany. France and Germany were old rivals. Bitter memories of the defeat of 1871 and less of Alaska and Lorraine places. To German interference in Morocco added to the bitterness. The British agreement with France over Morocco was not consulted by Germany. So Kaiser William II intentionally recognized the independence of Sultan and demanded an international conference to decide on the future of Morocco. Imperial power politics in Balkans. The Young Turk Revolution of 1908, an attempt at creating a strong and modern government in Turkey, provided both Austria and Russia with the opportunity to resume their activities in the Balkans. Balkan Wars. Turkey was a powerful country in the southwest of Europe. In the first of the 18th century, the Ottoman Empire extended over the Balkans and across Hungary to Poland. The empire contained many non-Turkish people in the Balkans. Both Turks and the subjects of different nationalists in the Balkans indulged in most faithful massacres and atrocities. The Armenian genocide is a frightful example. Taking advantage of the political and economic stability of the Turkish Empire from the second half of the 18th century. Greeks followed by others began one after another from Turkish control. Macedonia had a mixed population. There were rivalries among Greece, Serbia, Bulgaria and later Montenegro for the control of it. In March 1912, they formed a Balkan League. Their league attacked and defeated Turkish forces in the First Balkan War 1912 to 1913. Immediate cause. What are the immediate causes to the outbreak of World War I? The climax of these events in the Balkans occurs in Sarajevo in Bosnia on 28 June 1914. The Archduke Franz Perotinus' nephew and heir to